Hi guys, this is Kaylee here from AceVacuums in Leesburg. So today we're going to talk about a vacuum called the Titan T4000. Okay, so with this vacuum, what it is a household heavy-duty vacuum. You can see here it has a little drop down, so instead of going for the upright, you can drop it down a little bit so you can get down underneath the furniture and actually vacuum your floors and have it in that correct position. Next, we're going to talk about the hose and the wand. So once you pull the hose off the vacuum, you do have an extendable wand where you can extend it out. You can attach all your tools, attachments, everything right there to that little hose. Here, we're going to stick it right back in our vacuum and it'll lock down. Now we're going to turn our vacuum around down into the vacuuming position. So we're going to move our vacuum over here. Okay, so you also have a height adjustment. So you can change that from carpet to floors and down on the bottom left-hand side of the vacuum. So now we're going to bring it down. We're going to kick our machine on, which is going to be on the top of the machine. And you can see here we're going over some embedded pet hair. So once you're going over that pet hair, you can see how much that vacuum is actually pulling it up. As well as you can see that headlight as well on the front of the machine working really strongly. So you do have a headlight on the machine. So we're going to keep going over this pet hair, and you can see how just in a couple swipes all that pet hair comes up with this Titan heavy duty machine. It is really nice for all different types of house settings. We're also going to go over our carpet brush to show you what it's like picking up crumbs, dirt, debris, dander, anything like that on your floor. So we're going to go over that, and you can see how well the suction is on this. All right, we're going to do one more try so we can get the rest of this all up for you. Okay, so as you can see, we also have a headlight on the front of this machine. It makes easy access when you're going down under furniture and dark spots, down under kitchen tables, things like that. Another feature that we're going to talk about this machine is the inside. So once we open this little lever, we open up the bag casing. So you can see how you have your Hepa filtrated bag on top. Then you have your Hepa filter on the bottom. So this vacuum does have a Hepa filtration on it. We're going to lock our filter right back in. Now we're going to move to the bottom machine. You can see how it has that metal brush roll. So that is nice when you're coming to cleaning up pet hair. Anything high pile, low pile, works on all different kinds of carpet, hardwood floors, area rugs, linoleum, everything like that. So just a reminder, guys, we're going to hook this vacuum back up. You can check out the Titan series at either of our locations.